Okay, it's Mark's at the Expert Corner group, and we are going to take this now and we're going to remove the Dual-Cam Vise assembly, so that we can add a stable riser in between here, and then we're going to remount it and put it back on there. So we start with, when you want to, by the way, when you want to drop that back on there, take that off and drop that. You always want it to stay in the same alignment. If you took it off at 28, you want to put it back on at 28 because you need the full throw of the bracket arms. I don't know if I'm standing in front of the camera or not because I'm shooting out off to the side. We want to maintain the full throw. Okay. With it left off, I'm coming over here like I said earlier. This model is a 5/32. I really believe I remember working on one of my other models and it was a 1/8 inch screw. Just a point of information. Okay, removing this shoulder screw. It's called the shoulder screw because it's shaped like the shoulders on it. Will give us access to these two 1/8 inch hex screws. They go up through this metal plate, through the riser block, through the metal plate, through the riser block, and into the bottom of the vise. And as they compress, they tighten up an array of spring washers inside here, a Belleville washer array, and they compress it up. So we want to disassemble this. One side, then the other, back and forth. First, we're going to just take off these two screws. Bear with me, I'm losing. Whoops. I lost my way for a minute. I forgot that we have to take the gray plate off first. There's two screws. Bear with me. Okay, two screws, and then the vise assembly comes right off the top by removing the two screws from the bottom. Now, with the vise assembly in your hand, it gives you access to the vise screws. This is all compressed, and these are the ones that you want to take them side by side. Then come back one turn, come back one turn. Because there's a gap here now, and you can see the gap. We're trying to keep the gap to be the same size because as we compress this, we're squeezing in here an array of spring washers. So I'm going back and forth. Give it a turn, give it a turn, give it a turn, give it a turn. Always with the handle in the unlocked position, raised up in the unlocked position. Okay, I have the screws came loose, and now we're going to unscrew them all the way until I can feel them bump. And then we're going to turn it over. And that is the vise and the pyramid with, whoops, I dropped the screw, with the Belleville washer can array. And when I show you the washers, and here is the can. And the washers are bear with me, because I know there's one more in here. The washers are 6 pairs. The one washer is still in here. There we go. And the washers are stacked in this array so that they fit like this. For those of you that are not familiar with Belleville washers, I'm watching the time. They are a curved washer, and they are placed curve to curve. It's a curved washer, and they're placed curve to curve. And they're stacked such that the bottom one, the first one, is down. It's cupped down. Then it's curve, a curve, and a cup. And then the next one, curve, curve, and a cup. So it's the first one is down. Then everything is in cups for 5 pairs, and then the top one is curved up. And all of these stack on here. The first one is down, then face to face to face. All of them are cupped, and then the very top one is turned cupped up. And it just barely fits in that can. And that's the can array. And by compressing that, it preloads the spring. That's what tightens on the jaws. I'm going to stop here.